I need to learn to be the bigger person and not get the last word.
I'll tell you understand.
Boy, shut the up, bruh. I'm still gonna talk to you. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Mixed Beauty and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to join the beauty game. Today's video is going to be me creating my 2020 vision board. A vision board is basically a board that you put all of your goals and things you want to accomplish for the year or the month, whatever you're going to create your vision board for. Vision board is there to remind you daily to work on the goals that you want to accomplish. A vision board isn't, well, I'm going to put this on a vision board and it's just going to happen. That's not how it works. Basically, the vision board works like the law of attraction. You put it on the paper, you work towards it, you're going to bring it into the universe. If you're not familiar with the law of attraction, I highly suggest reading this book right here, The Secret. Well, this book will definitely change your life. But we're going to go ahead and get into my vision board for 2020, so let's get started. The first thing I'm going to place on my vision board is family. I have a picture of my family here because I want to be able to spend more time with my family and just have fun. So I do not want to lose them in my vision for 2020. So that's going to be my first piece. Next, what I have on my vision board is skiing. I definitely want to go skiing this year. It's a must for me. For my vision board, a baby. I got this funny little picture of a baby with teeth. Okay, I definitely want to have a baby this year. Okay, this is a big must for me. Financial freedom. I want to have a lot of freedom when it comes financially. I want to have multiple sources of income that more than I already have now. I have meal prepping. This is a must for me. I have to get in shape and become more healthy. I feel like meal prepping will guide me in the right direction to becoming more healthier, excuse me. Along with that, I have yoga. I definitely want to get into yoga. Yoga is something that I've always wanted to do. So I decided, hey, why not start this year? So right here I have the law of attraction. It says, what you think starts a vibration that influences how you feel, impacts what you attract, and creates your reality. So choose your thoughts wisely. This is a great definition of the law of attraction. So I'm telling you guys, we're going to attract all these positive things into our universe for 2020. Okay, so I'll put that up top to remember that. And think positive. I am a very, very positive thinker. But I'm also realistic, so that's what you have to be too. You can't just sit here and put this stuff on the board and act like it's going to happen. All right, next I have the early bird gets the worm. This year, I really want to, like, I already wake up early in the morning time for work, but on the weekends, I want to be productive. Like, rest is fine, but I feel like 2020 is the year of grind for me. So, team no sleep this year. This year, I also want to hit 3,000 followers on Instagram. One of the places I want to go, Las Vegas. Definitely Las Vegas. I'm already on the West Coast, so I'm like, hey, why not go ahead and knock that out while I'm over here. Next, YouTube monetization. YouTube monetization. I want to be monetized in 2020. Let's get these followers up, these watch hours up. And let's get monetized. Let me get this bag. Next, I have a DIY sign. I want to do a lot of DIYs on my channel this year, from house goods, clothes, anything. So if you guys have any suggestions, please drop a comment down below for the DIYs. Brand ambassador. This year, I want to become a brand ambassador. Okay, if you guys, ladies, have some lashes, or guys, anything brand, go ahead and let me get affiliate code and let me promote you on my channel. Okay, I want to become a brand ambassador this year. All right, I have a girl with curly hair. This is hair like mine. This year I'm going to be on a hair journey to grow my hair out. I'm very guilty of not getting my ends trimmed regularly. So this year I've already started doing that. I did it a little bit last year, but this year I'm going to grow my hair out. This year, no debt. I am very guilty of maxing out a credit card. No more debt this year. I'm gonna get my taxes and pay off my credit card, and no more debt for me. This right here is a picture of fireworks. I never do anything for the 4th of July or go see fireworks really. It's been a long time since I have. So this year I definitely want to do that. I'm gonna put that into my universe. This year I will do something for 4th of July. This year I wanna manifest money, okay? Definitely, who doesn't want more money in their pocket? This year I will be finished with my degree, so I cannot wait. I wanna keep a strong head and finish strong. All right, this year, weight loss is my goal. I will lose these 15 pounds this year. It's hard because I love food when I'm trying. This year, I do not want to eat a lot of fast food. No more fast food. Let's cut it out. No more fast food. I'm on a fast food strike this year. One of the places I want to visit this year is Hollywood, so I'm going to manifest that into my life. Like I said, I'm already on the West Coast, so I might as well knock these places out while I'm over here. Hollywood. Also this year, I want to invest more into stocks. I already have a few stocks like Disney and Starbucks, but I definitely want to invest more and, like I said, make more money. It's all about money. All right, this one is important for me. I want to come up in the makeup game, okay? I want to go from this to this, all right? Definitely want to come up when it comes to makeup. Want to get better. This year I want to be a gold digger, not a gold digger, a gold digger, all right? Let's get all these goals and accomplish them. Also, improving my credit score is on my list. I want to go to Hawaii this year as well. I live in Washington State, so the flights are actually not that expensive from over here. So Hawaii is definitely on my to-do list. I want to go hiking more this year. I went on a few hikes this year. It was very, very relaxful and joyful. I love views. Definitely want to hit up a few places that I have in mind this year. It's the year to vote. I want to vote this year. I want to pay more attention to politics and have a voice in who the next president is going to be. I also want to become more organized this year in my work and personal life. So that's a goal of mine. More organized. I want to spend my time wisely. I wish I could be in 3 places at once, honestly. Let's just be honest. All right, for this one, I have a picture of a few words. It's basic words, but what this means for me is I definitely this year, I think I want to download an app or something. I want to increase my vocabulary to have a word of the day. All right, this is my goal for the year. 2,000 YouTube subscribers. Before the end of the year, I want to at least have 2,000 YouTube subscribers. All right, for this one, I have just a little picture of a brain, and it looks like a whole bunch of things going inside the brain. This means for me is basically I want to increase my knowledge. Knowledge is power. I want to increase my knowledge. Definitely saving is in the plan for the year. I have a quote right here. It says, if you are not obsessed with your life, change it. I want to be obsessed with my life. I want to be happy to go to work. I want to just be happy. I'm not saying I'm not happy, but I just want to be happy with what I'm doing. Okay? I have another quote right here. It says, no response is a response, and it's a powerful one. Remember that. This is important to me because sometimes I just need to know when to shut the hell up, okay? I'm just being honest. For example, if someone is arguing with me, like sometimes a response just isn't necessary, like honestly, and be the bigger person. I need to learn to be the bigger person and not get the last word.
About time you understand.
Boy, shut the up, bruh. I'm still gonna talk to you. All right, YouTube, that's it. That's my 2020 vision board. I hope you guys are inspired by this to go ahead and think about your goals and bring all of these positive, good goals into your life and attract them. But before you go, I would like to read a little bit in the book. I'm telling you guys, please go get this book. You will not be disappointed. People who have drawn wealth into their life use the secret. Whether consciously or unconsciously, they think thoughts of abundance and wealth, and they do not allow any contradictory thoughts to take root into their minds. All right, Definitely. I'm telling you guys, you think positive, you think about this stuff, you work towards this stuff every day, and it will happen into your life. Bring it into the universe, attract it to your life. Okay? The law responds to your thoughts no matter what they may be. Stop thinking negative and think positive. Make 2020 your year. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Okay, babe, I'll be on my way. Ask me, can a homegirl come? We gon' have a lot of fun.